Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. This is a quick update. I just read about in some news outlets that just like in the past, in 2017, in Hurricane Irma, Tesla is going to allow Tesla Model S, X, whatever, owners to have free supercharging in case you don't have for the South and North Carolina areas. I'm not sure if they're going to extend it to Maryland and to Virginia and even to Georgia, but at least the Carolinas to have free access to superchargers if car owners don't have that ability, if they're new owners. And also, very interestingly enough, Tesla Model S's that have 75 kilowatt battery but only access for 60, they can call and have it open up, the software open up until middle of October, so they can have more access to their batteries, so they can travel longer distances. So I'm sure that I know that a lot of people are evacuating those hurricane areas on the coast of the Carolinas. So in case you see this, in case you didn't know, this is for you. If you don't have free supercharging abilities, now you do. And if you have a 75 kilowatt hour battery but only have access for 60 kilowatt, you can call and open up for more access. So that's that. If there's anything else, I will let you know. All right? Thanks.